Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Mr. Camps. I recently picked up a DJI Mini 2. I wanted to take you along on the first few flights and show you my new toy. I picked this drone up primarily for backpacking, day hikes, biking, and whatever other travel I get into. It is so small. I had a different drone in the past. It was the DJI Phantom. It was just too big. It was clunky. I couldn't bring it anywhere, and I ended up selling it just because it wasn't getting used. These new drones are so small and so easy to pack up. I know I can fit it in my backpacking bag. It fits in my smallest day hike bag, and I'm really excited to be able to take it everywhere with me. I went on a recent ski trip with some friends, and my friend Kyle came with a drone of his own.
We're gonna get a sweet drone shot here. Kyle's drone.
After I saw the footage he got with it and the new technology and size of the drones that they're making nowadays, I just had to get one for myself. I'm so glad that I picked this drone up. They make it so easy to fly and get cinematic footage that after just my first few trips, my footage looks like this. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, that's after just a few trips with that drone. If you enjoyed this video, I have a lot more coming. I'm gonna be going to Isle Royale National Park at the end of the month, and I'll be backpacking from one end of the island to the other. I'm taking a seaplane out there, and I can't bring much gear. So I'll be doing a video about what I plan to bring there. I also have some road trips I think I'll be doing, so if you want to follow along, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you next time.